ma'am.
Okay. Now 21 came. Let them come. I'll start it. Okay, children. So one important question. This was the important question. Bob wants to cover the floor of a room. Will you write the question? Bob wants to cover example 16. Bob wants to cover the floor of a room 3 meter wide and 4 meter long by squared tiles.
This we should write in our notes.
Oh, yes, yes, yes. Bob wants to cover the floor of a room 3 meter wide and 4 meter long by squared tiles. After writing the question, I'll explain the answers. Okay.
Finish.
Yes. Okay, children.
Ma'am,
See.
finish.
Okay, okay. So number of tiles. There is a rectangular floor. Rectangular floor and square tiles. Rectangular floor and it is square tiles. Square tiles. Okay. Rectangular floor and square tiles. How many tiles required? How many tiles required to cover the floor of the room? That was the question. Okay, children. Now look at the board. If 1 minute. Okay. Suppose there is a floor like this. It is a rectangular floor. Okay, children? 5 meter and 3 meter length. Okay. And I'm covering this with the square tiles. Square tiles. Okay. So square tiles of side 3 meter. Okay. Squares. Okay. Now what happened is, how many tiles required here? How will you find?
Ma'am, first we'll find the perimeter.
Not the perimeter. Not the perimeter. Area of the floor tile. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And I suppose if there is a floor tile like this, a floor like this, this is one tile. Okay. And lengthwise, if it is 5 meter, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Suppose I am covering this lengthwise 5 meter, 5 tiles. Okay, lengthwise 5 tiles. And if it is 4 meter breadth, like this, I can cover 4 tiles, lengthwise and breadthwise.
Okay, ma'am.
How many tiles required here? How will you find?
Ma'am, 5 into 4.
First of all, we have to find. First of all, we have to find 5 into 4, the area of the whole floor. Area of the floor.
20 meter.
20 meter. Then this small tile, if it is 1 meter of side, 1 meter of side, how many required here lengthwise?
Ma'am, 5.
5. Breadthwise? 4. Okay. So how will you get that? That answer is 20. 20 tiles. Actually, if it is 1 meter of 1 meter, if the side is of 1 meter, how many tiles I used here? 20 tiles. Okay. How did you get? We have to find the rectangles length and breadth and multiply it. You will get the rectangles area. Okay. Rectangles area divided by the small ones area. Small tiles area. Since it is 1 meter, no problem. 1 into 1, 20 you will get. Clear, children? Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
If it is of 2 meter, if it is 2 meter, tile is of 2 meter length and breadth. See, children? See, if this is something, if it is big tile. Okay. Now the number of tiles anyway, it will vary, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Number of tiles. How many tiles required here? Just check.
Ma'am,
1.
6. Ma'am, 6.
6 into 4
divided
by this is 2
tiles
meter.
area.
2 into 2. 4. Okay. So 6 tiles. Let us check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 tiles. Clear? Okay.
Yes,
If it is, so that is the method of doing. Okay, children. So number of tiles required equal to number of tiles. You can write number of tiles required equal to area of the floor divided by area of the floor divided by area of the tile. Area of the tile. This is the common formula we are using. Area of the floor divided by area of the tile. Area of the floor divided by area of the tile. Area of the floor divided by area of the tile. Number of tiles required equal to area of the floor divided by area of the tile. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Now, did you write it? Shall I erase it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we are going to find out the area of the floor first. Okay. So length of the floor. Can you see the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see the writing? Shall I write some with some
Yes,
light
ma'am.
colors?
Yes,
Light color I'll use. Okay. Area of floor. We are going to find out the area of the floor. Okay. So length of the floor. Length. How much?
Ma'am, length of the floor is 4 meter.
Ma'am, 4 meter. 4 meter. Here, children, everything is in meter. Meter, 4 meter, 3 meter, and 0.5 meter. So what happens is we need one decimal division there. Decimal division. Because we have to divide that 0.5 by 0.5, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So to avoid that, what we'll do is we'll avoid that decimal point. So 0.5 meter will convert into centimeter. It is easy. Okay. Okay, children?
Yes. ma'am.
It is half meter. How much it is? 0.5 meter. It is half meter. Half
Yes,
meter
ma'am.
is half. So breadth equal to 3 meter. Everything we will convert into centimeter. Okay, 300 centimeter. You know it, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So length equal to 4 meter. That is 400 centimeter. And breadth equal to 3 meter equal to 300 centimeter. Okay. Now what is area here? Area.
Ma'am, 400 into 300.
400 into 300. How
Ma'am,
much
4
it will
into
be?
3. Ma'am,
4 into 3.
1,200.
1,200.
No. 4 into 3 is 12. Then how many zeros?
Ma'am, 2
0.
0.
2 zeros?
40.
4 0.
Zeros. 4 zeros. This much square centimeter. For division, to make division easy, we are doing this. Okay. But in the
Okay, ma'am.
textbook, it is given some other way. You do this. So that the final steps we can make easy, easiest. So 12 and 4 zeros, you know the multiplication. Do you know the multiplication properly?
Yes.
Okay. Now
Finish, ma'am.
we will find the area of the square tile. Okay. So,
Okay, ma'am.
so we will write that area of the square tile. Area of the square tile. Tile is in square shape, right? So
Yes,
side
ma'am.
equal to 0.5 meter. What is 0.5 meter?
Ma'am, 50 centimeter.
How will you get? How will you convert? How
Ma'am,
will you
0.
convert meter to centimeter, children? We will multiply with
Ma'am.
100, right?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
0.5 into 100.
Ma'am, 50.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am Devika having net problem, so she is not able to get in.
Okay. I did not see her name here. Okay. Once I
Ma'am,
saw
not in
and
waiting room.
but
Ma'am, not in waiting room.
not in waiting room.
Yeah, ma'am, she is not able to get in because of the network issue.
Okay. Okay, children. 0.5 meter is how many centimeters?
Ma'am, 50 centimeters.
How did you get 0.5 as 50?
Ma'am, by putting the point into the right side. 2 times
You
the
know
right
it,
side.
the multiplication of decimals.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children, I will show you. Listen, children. How will you multiply two decimal numbers? Actually, we multiply, I'll give one example. 1.2 into 1.1. Okay. What we will do is multiply without decimal number. Clear?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
12 into 11. Okay, like this. 132. Now look at the question. How many decimal places are there after decimal point? One number. Second number also one decimal place.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
total how many decimal place?
Ma'am, what
Two
is
decimal place.
2 decimal
So
place?
it is 1.32. Clear? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Like that. This one. Without a decimal point, we multiply. That is 5 into 100.
Ma'am,
How
500.
much? 500.
500.
And how many place, how many decimal place are there? Only one decimal place, After decimal point, one number, right?
Yes, ma'am.
The same thing we have to do here also. So what is the answer?
50.
50. So our answer is 50 centimeter. That is one side. So what is area? Area equal to side into side. Equal to 50 into 50. How much 50 into 50? 50 into 50. Yes. Yes, children.
Ma'am, 2500.
2500. Correct.
2500.
2500 square centimeter. Okay. Now, number of tiles required is our question. Number of tiles required. Number of tiles required. How will you find number of tiles? Number of tiles equal to area of floor by divided by area of tile. So that is a very big number. 12 and 4 zeros. 1,20,000 divided by 2,500. Okay, children. Now we can do one thing. We can strike out, cancel these 2 zeros. Clear? Because we divided it by 100. Both. How to make it the simplest fraction? You know? Simplest form, fraction simplest form. Like that we divided. Strike out those 2 zeros. Make it simple. So remaining will be 1,200 by 25. Will you find the answer here?
148.
Yes. Answer is 48 tiles. So it is a very important question. Yesterday I told that I'll explain one question to you, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you remember
no,
which
ma'am.
question? Yesterday in the revision remedial class,
Yes, ma'am.
do you remember which question it was?
I don't know.
Hmm?
Ma'am, I think it's the.
Do you remember which question it was?
No, ma'am.
1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. Let me search. One minute, children. Find the length of the given. Okay. Okay, children, write the question. Can you hear me? 1 minute.
Yes, ma'am.
I'll minimize it. 1 minute. Okay. Find the length of the rectangle given that its perimeter is 880 meter and breadth is 88 meter.
And which question? 9.
Question number 9. I cannot draw it because.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Question number 9. Can you see that bold letters downwards? Find the length of the
Yes, ma'am.
rectangle given that its perimeter is 880 meter and breadth is 88 meter.
Ma'am, we should write in the notes.
In the notes itself. Do you have any other thing to write? Only the notes, right? Huh? Mass, you have only the notes. Do you have any other extra notes to you?
No,
Do you have? No. So why you are asking me? This is an irrelevant question. Don't need of asking. Okay. Everything you have to write in the notes.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Find the length of a rectangle given that its perimeter is 880 meter and breadth is 88 meter. Shall we start?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Now let me minimize it.
Ma'am, can you show it again?
Huh?
Can you show it again?
No. I minimized it. You can tell. I'll write the question here. Okay, shall I write the question here? What was the question? Tell me.
Find the length.
Find the length of a rectangle
Okay, this is the second question for us. Find the length of the rectangle
Given that
Given that
given that
given that
its perimeter
its perimeter is
880 meter
880 meter and breadth
and
is
breadth is 88 meter.
okay. Breadth is 88 meter. Okay, this was the question. Okay, children. So when you get a question, you read out the things and what all things given here that you have to write. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So what all things given? Its perimeter is given.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Perimeter. Perimeter is given and breadth is given. We have to find the length.
Length.
Okay. So perimeter is given. Perimeter equal to 880 meter. And breadth we know breadth. Breadth is 88 meter, but length we don't know. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So these all things you have to write. Now, perimeter's formula we know. What is the perimeter formula? 2 into L plus B equal to 880. Okay, children. Now, in this, what all things we know? We know about, we don't know length. So, write that length L itself. Plus, but breadth we know 88 equal to 880. Okay, children. Now, we have to keep that bracket. No, bracket numbers. What are the numbers in the bracket? What are the numbers in the L plus 88? And this 2, it is into, no, 2 into. Okay.
Yes,
What is the
ma'am.
reverse operation? 2 into, when it comes to this side, what is the reverse operation here?
2 divided by.
Divided by. That means this 880 divided by 2. Okay. That
Yes,
2 we
ma'am.
have to shift to right side. So that is the reverse operation of our question. That is 2 into will come as 880 divided by 2. What is 880 divided by 2? 440.
Ma'am, 440.
Yes. So L plus 88 equal to 440. Now what is, how can you give that plus? We need L, length only. So how will you shift that
Yes,
88
ma'am.
to right side? What will happen? Is it plus itself or minus?
Ma'am, minus.
Minus. So 440 minus 88 is, find out. Find out fast. 440 minus 88. 10, 3, 2. Tell fast.
Ma'am, 352.
Yes. Again 13, 3. So 352.
352.
Correct. So length is 352 meter. So it is also a very important question. I'll explain. One more period is there, no? 10:45. I'll explain it once again.
Yes,
I'll give similar questions also. Okay? Did you finish
Okay, ma'am.
writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay? Okay, children. I'll explain it. I'll explain once more. Okay. Thank you. Shall we wind up now?
Answer is 352, right?
Yes. Shall we wind up now?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Bye.